back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Green flag in the air. Kirby Subtle in the 9 machine. So our 5 of Rose not picking up on timing and scoring. Going to have to check the transponder. So the 5 of Rose not picking up on the transponder. So we'll check it out, see if he is, of course, going to be owed some time on the racetrack. Aniston Bush in the 7B, Braxton Klein in the 51. Klein working now down the back straightaway. Bush going to work down into turn number 1. Then, of course, the fine folks, Dirt Rich TV covering this event here tonight. Don't forget, Mountaineer 50 t-shirts, $15. $15 on those Mountaineer 50 t-shirts. Braxton Klein now to the top of the board with a 15.563. Aniston Bush going to be second. Quick Subtle going to be third. Quick now on the speed charts. Klein in the 51 with a 15.563. Bush second. Quick Subtle now third. Going to be 2 cards at a time. If we can continue to keep them rolling that way, green flag is out with a 271. As, of course, he is now going to pick up. He is now on the clock of the entry of 271 of Matt Centerberry in that 271. Bryce Ryan there in the 36. He'll be one to watch here in qualifying. He is usually quick here at Beckley. Bryce Ryan now coming back. White flag in the air. Oh, new fast time for Bryce Ryan with a 15.424. Bryce Ryan to the top of the board. Braxton Klein still second. Quick. Canterbury in the 271 going to be fourth. Quick. I think, of course, first Community Bank, Bud Light, Street Stocks. I want to thank them for sponsoring the Street Stocks, Modley's Plumbing, VP Racing Fuel. And here we go with our next couple of competitors rolling out onto the Speedway to take the green flag. Jackie West in the 1 machine as he will come by the 22 machine. Now also on the clock as well. Everybody chasing Bryce Ryan. Ryan at the top of the board. West with a big wiggle down in turn number 1. 22 machine going to the top of the board with that 15.117. Checkered flag there. Harley Martin to the top of the board. And he turns the wick up again on lap number 2 with a 15.010. $15 on the Mountaineer 50 shirts. $15 on those shirts. And race fans, here in just a minute, we're going to do a flash sale on those shirts for the Mountaineer 50. Harley Martin in the 22 at the top of the board. Bryce Ryan in the 36. Machine Braxton Klein. Jackie West and Bush, your top 5. Chris Proctor, right now 6 quick. The 3 machine of Kenny Meadows out on the Speedway. Wes Henderson in the 14 coming by. Wes going to move up to 6 quick out on the speed chart with a 15.810. Kenny Meadows, 3rd quick at the line with a 15.5. Triple nickel 5.55. Still Harley Martin, Bryce Ryan, Kenny Meadows, 3rd. Wes Hendrickson will move up to. Flash sale coming up during Super Late Model qualifying. Got them also stickers as well. Go check them out. Got stickers for sale for $1. Super late models to staging, please. Harley Martin, Bryce Ryan, Connor New in the C10, 3rd quick, Kenny Meadows. Connor New up to 3rd.